Have you ever watched a finance video and halfway through realized you don't understand half of the words being used? Terms like asset allocation, macro trends, money economics, and suddenly it feels like you need a finance degree just to understand one sentence. If you've ever felt like that, trust me, you're not alone. My name is Bakker, and I'm a professional accountant with more than 10 years of experience working in finance. For the past decade, I've worked closely with financial statements, investments, taxes, and how money actually moves inside the system. And during these years, I realized something that honestly bothered me. Most people are struggling financially, not because they are lazy or careless, but because no one ever properly taught them how money actually works. Schools teach us many things, but somehow personal finance is rarely one of them. We learn about history, science, and complex formulas. But nobody teaches us how to manage money, how investing works, or how to avoid financial traps. And then we enter the real world expected to make financial decisions that affect the rest of our lives. Student loans, credit cards, housing decisions, investments. Yet most people are making these decisions without ever understanding the psychology behind money. And that's exactly why I decided to start this channel. Not to sell courses, not to promise get-rich-quick schemes, but simply to explain money in a way that normal people can actually understand. I truly believe that understanding money psychology and personal finance is a basic life skill. And honestly, it's something everyone deserves to learn. Because right now, if we're being honest, a lot of people are financially struggling. Many people are earning money, but still feel broke. And a big reason for that is not income, it's lack of financial knowledge. Personally, I believe that if we have knowledge, we should share it. Giving back to society isn't always about money. Sometimes it's about sharing knowledge that can truly change someone's life. And that's the main reason I'm starting this channel. On this channel, I'll explain personal finance concepts in the simplest words possible, no complicated jargon, no unrealistic promises. Just practical knowledge that can actually help in real life. For example, we'll talk about things like money psychology, how compound interest really works, how to escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle, and how ordinary people can slowly build real wealth. I'll also share interesting money facts, real stats, and stories from some of the most successful investors in the world. People like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and Ray Dalio, and how their simple thinking and long-term discipline help them build extraordinary wealth. Because sometimes one powerful idea can completely change the way you think about money. But before I start making detailed videos, I want to ask you something. What topic would you like me to explain first? Should we start with money psychology, compound interest, and investing basics, or how people stay stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle? Write your suggestion in the comments. I'll read them, and the most requested topic will become the first real video on this channel. Financial knowledge isn't a luxury for rich people or finance graduates. It's a basic life skill, and you deserve to have it. Subscribe. Stay around. The first video drops soon, and I promise it'll be worth your time. See you there.